Hey everybody, welcome to Tech Duck. Today, we will review the top survival gear and gadgets of 2023. Watch until number 1 because it's one of the most fantastic survival gear I've ever seen. Go Time Gear Emergency Tent is a polyethylene survival tent made to survive in the most difficult conditions when camping or doing outdoor adventures. The best part of this survival gear is that it can handle 2 people during a camping emergency. It can be a good fit if you're used to traveling with a partner. You can also use this tent if you're traveling with a child and have an emergency because the tent fits both people comfortably. So maybe if you're used to traveling with your little one, this gadget can be a perfect buy to ensure the security of your child while traveling. In summary, this tent is a super durable and versatile piece of equipment that needs to be in any survival kit for adventurers. If you're looking for an emergency tent, maybe this one here is your best option. The Parcil PD-100 full-face breathing mask that offers full protection including eyes, nose, and mouth at a really affordable price. The mask seals your face in such a comfortable way thanks to its multiple layers made of silicone, which ensures softness, adapting it perfectly to the shape of your head. The straps of the masks are wide and durable. It's not made of a terrible elastic we can find in other models. This makes it very comfy, including material quality superior to any other mask on the market, which makes it really comfortable while using it. The mask as a whole is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, keeping the mask always in place even when you are moving around. This mask is a perfect match for people who like adventures on the outside ground. While camping, it can be quite comfortable to carry liters and liters of water on your back. That's why water filtering products can be really useful for these kinds of trips. The Life Straw Personal Water Filter will help you filter up to 1,000 liters of water according to their official website. As this water bottle only weighs 54 grams, you can carry it almost everywhere, making it perfect for your next camping trip. In addition, it removes 99% of waterborne bacteria and waterborne protozoa and cysts. This means that this product is highly efficient to filter water in the middle of nowhere. We should pay close attention because this product doesn't remove viruses from water, so it would be prudent to use it in developed countries like the US or similar. It is definitely not recommendable to use it in countries in development as the water could have some viruses this filter cannot handle. With this Fenix light, you will get a battery, holster, and a charging cable. This is a really lightweight yet high quality nightlight for your camping adventures. It has a comfortable size, allowing you to use the light with only one hand, making it a good deal for handling a lot of situations you may encounter when you're outdoors. The battery of the light could take some time to be fully charged due to its 21,700 mAh battery, but this gives the light a strong capacity. When the light is running out of battery in full, it could take between 3 and 4 hours to recharge it, so make sure to have your camping light recharged before going on your next adventure. Using the light is very easy. You just have to press the power button and the light will simply turn on. Therefore, if you press the power button halfway down, you will get a momentary on, or if you can fully push it down, you will turn the light on constantly. This is an average size multi-tool device, but with half the features of any other tool on the market with a similar size. What makes this tool different from the others is that every feature was specifically designed to be unique. It's a tool that remains simple, yet useful in a survival adventure. The main blade is large and accessible with a one-thumb swipe, while in pliers mode, the handles are rounded and made with beautiful plastic, which used to be made of carbon fiber, which is better than plastic to be honest. In a test made by the Outdoor Gear Lab blog, this multi-tool remains between the lightest full-size tools with a weight of just 5 ounces. The only tools that are lighter than this are the tiny keychain tools. On this ranking, the heavier tool following the Skeletool CX is 136% heavier than its weight, proving this tool is a really good option for camping. This life-saving gadget is a full-function SOS communication device made by a trustworthy, long-standing company like ACR. The ResQlink 400 uses the COSPAS SARSAT satellite communication network. Its only function to transmit SOS emergency messages. The device uses a proven technology and network, allowing you to access reliable communication to the world. The disadvantage of this device is that it limits itself in just emergency messages or rescue messages. This device will not allow you to communicate with your friends or family. An advantage of this device is that it operates with a system that is probably the most effective in the world. The design of the network is just to send and receive SOS messages. In case you're wondering, you can send SOS messages to the central worldwide, so this device can accompany you on any camping adventure. If you're a gun lover, maybe this tool can be the best one for you, as it's specifically designed to give good maintenance to any gun. It brings the next level of simplicity and usability to what is today in the market. The real Avid pistol tool has a unique multi-function with a lot of functionality. All the tools included in this gadget are made of premium stainless steel, making it a high-quality made tool, long-lasting and effective. It has 20 different tools, making it perfect for fixing, adjusting, and disassembling handguns. In addition, this tool is so lightweight it can perfectly fit in your pocket, or you can use it whenever you need to. While camping in the field or just while improving your shooting capabilities, you can use this tool when you think it's necessary. This powerful tool is well-rounded and useful in many situations. It categorizes itself as a survival knife due to its fire steel, rescue whistle, and hammer features, among others. The gadget is not so heavy, weighing only 388 grams, taking into consideration all the features it has. Besides, this knife was designed by Gerber in collaboration with Bear Grylls, two long-trusted brands, one dedicated to steel creations and the other to creating knives. Both partnered up to create this amazing knife that broke the market. So you can trust me on this one. This is a must-have knife if you have a survivor soul. With this knife, you'll be able to at least cut rope, prepare food, assist some of your teammates in case of a medical emergency, and handle all kinds of situations. In short, if you buy this knife, you'll be able to handle almost any difficult and simple situation out there while adventuring. With the AOFAR AF4074 survival compass with 360-degree scale, adjustable and foldable, it enables you to measure height. This makes it perfect when going out on your next camping adventure because every one of us can get lost in the middle of nowhere. It is made of high-quality metal material, making it waterproof and shake-proof, converting it into a perfect choice in almost any situation that you can find while outdoors. This gadget is ideal for camping, hiking, positioning, or even mapping. Its thermoelastic capsule lets you read the compass with ease, making your camping experience even better and safer. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of survival gear and gadgets, and much more. Check out this video on the top left, and I'll see you in the following video. Take care.